Hello, my name is Rafael Valenzuela from DDM31. Today I'm going to have an exam using amalgam restoration, and this will be the equipment that I'm going to use. So will be my armamentaria or the prepared equipments to use. Okay, so before we start, we shall take out this. So the first step is the preparation. Okay, once the burr is embedded inside the tooth, move it up and down and in circular motion to create a circular cavity. The depth of the cavity must be 3 millimeters. And also, use your water syringe to moisten the cavity while preparing it to prevent unnecessary heat production. This avoids the typodont tooth burr from burning. Okay, the next step is applying cavity varnish. The reason of applying it is because our preparation has an open dentinal tubules. If you don't apply a cavity varnish, the mercury will sit in and it will irritate the pulp. Gently air dry the tooth. Prepare the materials for the trituration. Put the mercury and the amalgam powder. And then triturate it using pen grasp. The purpose of this is to remove the film-coated oxide and also to mix the mercury and dental alloy homogeneously. Once we attained the result, put it in the rubber dam sheet. And then mull it. After that, put it in the squeeze cloth to remove the excess mercury. Because if there is an excess mercury, there will be a weak restoration. After that, put it in the amalgam well. By using amalgam carrier, apply it to the tooth incrementally. After this process, you have to condense, and this process is called condensation. By this process, you are removing the excess mercury on these surfaces. So by little, you will hear a screeching sound. After carving, we will now burnish the tooth, or it will be known as smoothing. Burnishing can also liberate the excess mercury. So continue this process until you attain the desired surfaces. So this is my finished product, and I will show it some picture. And that is all. Thank you.